Okay. Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Leo. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15th till the 30th of September. I'm going to tap into your recent past, current energies and near future. And we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for this particular remaining days of September 2024. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Leo, the overall energy for Leo people for the rest of the days of September 2024 is, let's see. We have the Queen of Cups. It's like you're going to keep your emotions and your things to yourself. At the same time, it's all about self-love, self-care, self-healing. And I think you're going to burn the bridges, but not in a like a typical Leo way, like being very verbal about it or being very what should like a display, like I'm not talking to you or I'm cutting you out or something like that. It's like you're going to burn the bridges with love, with compassion this time. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Two of Pentacles. So in the recent past, you were going up and down, on and off, back and forth about a particular person or situation in your life. It was a confusing kind of energy for you in the recent past. Currently, the Ten of Swords. I do see you being in this energy of feeling defeated in some way in your life by something or someone, feeling betrayed or defeated. By the end of this month, we have the Ace of Pentacles. I do see having a brand new beginning, a brand new opportunity opening up for you guys in some area of your life. I think especially it's related to your money, job or career. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys. We have the Devil, the Seven of Swords, the Emperor. Okay, okay. See, some kind of toxicity came out, some kind of unhealthy pattern, some unhealthy energy came to light. Okay, and you were kind of playing with those energies from quite a long time now, and you decided not to play with those energies anymore, but you were not able to let go of those people or situations or connections or things or your own I think maybe belief system or some kind of toxic behavior or nature of yours. Whatever it was, you understood the pattern, you understood the truth of about a situation, about something, but you were going through this energy of on and off, in and out, and you were not able to understand what you should do about it. Okay, but you were trying your best to sit in your power and let go of those things or people or situations that were kind of um, toxic for you, not healthy for you, not good for you anymore, right? Now in the current situation, you are feeling defeated or you are feeling somewhat in this energy of something not working for you anymore, and you're trying your best to get up again and see the light at the end of the tunnel kind of a deal. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. You are waking up from a bad dream like kind of energy. We have the Three of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Six of Cups. You're struggling with the past person, past energy. You are struggling. You are in this energy of letting go of something or someone from your past that you are still very, very attached to. Although your guards are high, your guards are up, but you're not able to let go of something or someone. You're trying your best though, right? You're 1 foot in, 1 foot out of a situation, and your guards are high, your guards are up, but you're wounded. You're wounded, you're hurt because of this breakup or separation or betrayal or ending, whatever it is. Now, for some of it was a work situation, a project that ended out of the blue. And you're still hopeful and positive that it might start in the coming future. But at the same time, you're wounded, you are in this energy of, I'm not going to let this situation hurt me anymore. Now, take it how it resonates with you in your situation, but you're trying your best to let go of something or someone from your past, at the same time being very, very guarded and wounded in that situation. By the end of this month, we have the Ace of Pentacles. I do see brand new beginning. I do see something opening up for you. a brand new chapter opening up for you, especially for your love, especially for your work or job or career area. Something related to stability, a very stable opportunity is going to knock at your door, or you're going to create one. Two of swords, the 10 of wands, the 3 of cups. Okay, somebody's coming towards you with this opportunity of, can we start again? Now again, it could be a work situation, a job career situation, or a relationship situation. You're going to be closed off with this idea of starting a chapter or restarting a chapter with somebody that you already had a chapter with. At the same time, you're going to drop this idea of being stressed out about it. Oh my god, if it is making any sense to you, Leo, somebody is coming towards you with a brand new offer. Let's start this thing once again with stability. With this time it's going to be stable, this time it's going to be mature, this time it's going to be grounded. But you're going to be closed off with this idea of wanting to have this situation in your life and dropping this situation, dropping this idea of coming together, coming back together, or reconciliation, or whatever it is. So somebody will try to come towards you with a stable offer basically, but you are not going to be open to that idea. Again, it could be a work related situation, it could be a relationship situation, it could be something that you ended at some point of time. It could be any area of your life. An addiction might be, it is going to resurface again, but you're going to be like, nope. So take it how it resonates with you, but something is going to resurface in your life with this energy of stability, groundedness, and this energy of this time you're not going to mess this up, but you're going to be closed off, and you're going to be dropping this idea of giving this opportunity, giving this second chance to something or someone. And you're going to be very clear that no, this time it's gone, it's done, goodbye. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Leo, in this situation. We have the 5 of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the 2 of Cups, right? Before jumping into any kind of, before going towards something new or someone new that you know is resonating with your heart and soul, make sure that that person, that energy, whatever you're going towards, is kind of free from every kind of baggages from the past, and you too. Let me repeat it, okay? Before going towards something new or someone new, whatever you are going towards, whatever your heart is resonating towards or opening up to, make sure that that person, that energy is also free from the past baggages and past issues, and you too. Okay, so this is the clear-cut message that I'm getting for you guys. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.